our long-term goal is to also sell more electric cars into the country. And by 2025, we intend to reach 15% of our sales into electric cars. And if you might have already read about it, Audi globally has also decided that it will become an electric car company in some years. So all the new cars that we will launch from 2026 onwards will be only electric. Of course, we will continue to sell ICE engines till 2033. So it is that the direction is clear. So we need to work towards it. And the reason we launched three models because we want to give choice to our customers to own either Audi e-tron 50 or 55, and also in two body shapes. It's a very nascent stage of electrification in India. We are just about started, and two-wheelers or three-wheelers or four-wheelers, we have just started in India. And we should not already make conclusions because more and more manufacturers are getting into EVs, and everybody has to play their role. And this can only be successful if all the manufacturers come together and work towards creating an infrastructure around, and also of course charging infrastructure companies put together, and government has to play their role. So all of us have to come together to make the electrification journey a success. So it is too early to come to conclusions that in this segment or that segment things are not working. I think it's too early. Let us firstly continue to work. And I personally also believe that electrification is going to be a marathon. It's not a sprint. So we have to be patient, and we have to continue to work to make it a success and bring more and more customers into electrification. We already have these vehicles available in our global portfolio. So we are able to bring cars much faster. But of course, they come at a cost because, when you bring in imported cars, there are duties, so the cars are expensive. So yes, the choices are more, but they are expensive. That's something. But a large percentage of our sale we can achieve, like we are trying to achieve a 15% sale by the year 2025. But you also must realize that luxury space is still 1% of the overall car industry. So whatever we do, we may be able to achieve good percentage of our sales. But if you compare our sales to the overall automotive industry, that will still remains to be a tiny little number.